Hey Ronaldo, I hope you're having a great week so far. Before we get started, I want to start showing you these animations on my phone. So I use this app that is kind of like a color by numbers. It's super quick, super easy, and whenever I'm studying, I just like to use it as a little break, like a 5-minute break to get my mind off of things and to relax. So here is the first animation, and here it is. I don't know if you can see it very well. There you go. Yeah, it's a candy cane, and since this is the last video I will be doing for the semester, or before the end of this for the end of 2017, just wanted to show you that to get in the spirit of the holidays. So let's get started into the video. So right here you have a really short essay so far, and I understand that many of the students in your class have also not really completed that yet, so I just want to remind you to make sure that you have 4 paragraphs in your narrative and to have at least 4 sentences in each paragraph. And with the more specific edits, let's get started with this one. So you said the peasants' sons have to work all their life for food and shelter. I didn't really highlight this, but I want to address this. I think you mean for, which is spelled F-O-R instead of far. I think you know what far means. Far means like distance, but for is like I do this for you. They work all their life for food and shelter. Excuse me if I sound kind of sick, but you, in the next sentence, you said the noble son has the opportunity. You had the possessive form here, which is really great. I just want you to remember to use the possessive form of this word. So what you could do is you could say the peasant's son. If you're doing one son. No, if you're doing one peasant, you will put the apostrophe here. If you're doing more than one peasant, if you're talking about like all peasants' sons, then you put the apostrophe after. So make sure you figure out how many peasants, or if it's one or more than one that you're talking about. Make sure that you change that word to the possessive form. And then over here, this is, I don't think this is, well, I know this is not a full sentence. So a full sentence should have a subject, verb, and an object. I understand that you mean the noble son has the opportunity to become a knight and to live well in the castle. So make sure that you clarify the subject in the sentence. So you could say like, they also live well in the castle, and because you have the word etc. here, which means like and so on, make sure you give a couple more examples to add more to your essay. And yeah, great job so far. Good job with having your heading and your Times New Roman 12-point font. Just a reminder to have your title at the top and to add the rest of your paragraphs, and you'll be good to go. So I hope you have a great holiday break, and I hope to see you next year. Bye!